This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and NORAD. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 1:46 p.m. Central Standard Time, NORAD detected the launch of 10 ICBMs, all heading for the United States. It is unknown where the ICBMs will hit, so all residents of the United States are strongly recommended to seek a fallout shelter immediately. You will face certain death by radiation, and if you survive that, you would die by the intense heat generated from the explosion anyways. The following cities will be struck within the next 10 minutes. Portland, Oregon. Redding, California. Santa Monica, California. Boise, Idaho. Denver, Colorado. Santa Fe, New Mexico. Amarillo, Texas. Dallas, Texas. Houston, Texas. San Antonio, Texas. All clear. This is an all clear signal for all of the cities impacted by the missiles. All the fallout in each city has been cleared and it is safe to go outside. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.